ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses. Experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ka BDWS Career Academy kan penlong ya Meghalaya Scholastic Aptitude Test haka khatan riu tarik upanai March haka porship hobajem step hashulong tura but clear.
Kipat Garo kibesang basa hakathan rilum Khasi mentagaski hakalama jangko all Khasi Achik Federation Pynrem jur yaka KHADC halo ka jingkan tat ban aibor yaki Garo kibesang basa hakanika than rilum Khasi banlong Rangbah Shnong baki dawaru de ban aila degi Shnong Garo bakindon la ujong urang ba Shnong nagbentaga sinsha khadar haki Shnong Garo kini ka jing Pynrem kipat ba Garo Lyngba kate ken hun seng glapen pau bentaga sngi haga jingalang blapen long hanong spung e baha pilang kata police outpost padia kini ka jingalang dalam khmat aga serimina di Marak kepada ke President Kribhoi District Women's Wing ka Sinita Moment kum ka Vice President Kleden Sangma kum ka General Secretary Balaidon Langru ki dekhot ka Central Executive Committee bekin thup Eucalyptus CH Marak kum President Bermanuel CH Marak kum General Secretary Hakani ke jingalang lawan poi ko balais patam ki pat Garo ki bele syong perkhat hakani ke jingalang ba ki bele shim yakarai ban Pynrem jur ya ki HADC halo ke jing penduk long Rangbah Shnong ya ki Garo ha upur usam ka ki HADC habakran hakani ke sngi shakinong thok khubor ka serimina di Marak ban Manuel CH Marak ki la Pynrem jur ya ki HADC halo ki aim blashna bat bala khanglat ban long Rangbah Shnong ki Garo hapok rilum Khasi ba ki Garo kim yo lat shu ban long Rangbah Shnong wa ki Shnong berentang da ki pat Garo.
We had seen and we had verified the ongoing situation, how this issue had come up. So we had found many things here, but then so it's not about like this issue should remove the headmanship from the Garo community. So here I would like to say that to the government of Meghalaya and the district council, I have one question there. So, we the Garo community, so we have right to practice our traditional culture in our village or in the society. So, we are practicing this cultural, traditional cultural. So, as per our concern, so we have seen that if there is no headman in the village, so how he will lead the village? So that is the main thing. So here we can understand that, and every community has their head. So I know that Garo, from the Garo community, has their traditional head in the Garo Hills, and here in the Khasi Hills region, it has the Khasi traditional head. So, but one thing that here we want to say that, and we want to explain our grievances that. So, since we the tribal and the community of this area, community of this Khasi Hills region, we are staying here. We are not staying in Garo Hills. So wherever we stay, we have our right to practice our traditional culture. So no one has right to exclude, or no one has right to deprive our rights. So I think there are some like leaders, politician leaders, they are misleading our society. We are living peacefully as brothers and sisters, and some of the political leaders, they are bringing the issue in the August House of District Council, and they are saying that those community could not practice their own like traditional culture. So that is not fair. So wherever we are staying, we have a right to practice our traditional culture. That's it. So from our side, we don't have anything. And on this issue, we don't want to blame anyone, but we are seeking helps from the Meghalaya government to solve this matter as soon as possible. And we, from the organization, we are giving the deadline for 2 weeks, 1 or 2 weeks. So within these 2 weeks, so they should come up and they should solve this matter. So we don't want any conflict, or we don't want any we don't want to see such things that it will happen to our society or community. So we want to live peacefully in this area, and we are not demanding that they should give they should give our rights how they are getting. We are not asking that, but as per the norms, as per the constitution, so we should get the rights.
Our motto and our demand is we have been seeing that what this KHDC has resolution has passed in the KHDC. So it's a very much sentiment to the Garo people, those who are residing in the Khasi Hills area, southwest Khasi Hills and entire Khasi Hills. The headman power is snatched away by Garo. That is very much wrong. We never tried to snatch away the headman power, because since from 18th century we are practicing this, and we never harm to any other Khasi Britons. And today also we will try to exercise the same traditional cultural rights. And we have seen that the KSDC has passed this bill, but this bill, this amendment and this bill is not acceptable, and we will fight if they don't scrap this bill. Then we will also continue to fight for our rights. We are indigenous people. We are living here since from 18th century. We are not foreigners. We are not from any other country. So in other states also, like Tripura, Arunachal, and Assam also, all over in India, we have been practicing very democratically. And here also, being as a own state, we should have practice this, and we should continue, and they should give us. If they don't allow also, we will continue, because it's our right. And this state is belong to 3 sisters, Garo, Khasi, Jaintia. Why they are bringing this such kind of communal things, this issue? This is very much irritating and very much bad issue for us. So we want peace and harmony, and we want to be good relationship with our Khasi Britons, and they should not continue this bill, and we will not accept this bill. We will go and fight for another issue also. If they don't scrap this bill, we will demand another issue, and they have to give that one. Now we will not disclose that one. We will thank all the Khasi, the entire Garo people. We will think, and if they want to continue whatever they have passed in this last week, and that bill, then we will think. That will be very much a problem for the our Khasi Britons also, because you see, we are living nearby neighboring Assam. So they must think very carefully to decide this kind of bill. Thank you so much. I should not say many things.